guys, welcome back to another video. So now that Bailey's car has been painted, they're gonna start working on the exhaust because the one that's on it right now is made for that custom bumper blade made a couple of years back. Before we started, I wanted to show you guys that we do have some of these hoodies left on the website. We also have them in brown shirts with black embroider, and we just put these on the website too, just like this. So if you guys are interested, there's gonna be a link in the description down below, or you can go to carshopbloom.com.
That hurt. This is like this. Oh no, not that.
Shut up, Blaine.
Where'd you get that on?
Bro, shut up. Are you serious? That's what you want, yeah? Okay. Dude, I was really like, no.
Oh, piece of
Christine, leave already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you all happy that Christine left?
Dude, I'm so excited now. So what? Cut this in half?
Yeah,
Exactly in half?
pretty much. As close to half as you can get it.
And then you're gonna fit this over that and then weld this to this?
And then we're gonna weld both sides.
I don't even know. Right here?
That's your mark.
Is that half?
I don't know.
That's not half. Bro, like not even, I don't even want it to be like,
Yeah,
just like
want to be
right
about that.
here.
Okay, so
Here.
about how long is that away from the thing?
What?
Push the block towards you. Put it on the block. Step on the block. Put your foot on the block. I'm just kidding. No, put the pipe on the block, you stupid. What are you doing? Get it to like point out of the exhaust if you can.
What do you mean?
Or close to point out of the hole.
No, it's more like this.
Yeah, it's like pointing towards this way. Both of them are pointing that way.
Yeah, but this one's a less of an angle, but it's still pointing that way. You're like, bro, honestly, I'm ready to call it a day. Hell no. It looks awful. Just bend it back. Dude, bend it back. Just bend it back.
I'm trying to get Bailey to buy these wheels from me. So we're trying to convince him. I think it looks super good, but I guess we'll see what he says. Oh, it looks so small like that. Whoa.
It don't even look that bad though. How's that fit, man?